Well, good morning, everyone. Hey, I am here in Bristol, Indiana at the Bravo Trailer Manufacturing to pick up my new trailer. And I am so excited about that. Been a long day, long time getting it, but I'm glad to have it. And so I think this is it sitting right over here, so I'm gonna flip y'all around and let's take a look. Let's see what we got here. All right, there should be, I believe, it's a Star. It's got the long tongue on it, flat nose, got the hitch I asked for, and let's do a little quick walk around. What do you say? Got the door I wanted, got the latch that I just don't trust those RV latches. I like that kind of latch, and this is a door that's built by this company instead of a little cheap RV door. Some side lights on it. I wish it had aluminum wheels on it, but well, it is what it is. I didn't ask for that particularly. I like where they put the tag on that thing where everybody can see it fine, right up there. So, walking around, nice side lights. Notice it's got an extra foot to it. It's supposed to have a heavy-duty ramp door where I can drive a tractor in it with no problem. We'll see what it looks like inside here in a little bit. But I'm thinking from initial, my first impression is I'm happy. I'm happy. Like I said, I would like to have some aluminum wheels, but I could have ordered that. I guess I should have. It's got flow-through vents on it. I like that. So see, air vent up there, and then if we walk around over here and look, we got a air vent out down here, so air can flow through it with no problem. I probably should have got the 28. I decided to go with 26 and the 6,000 pound axles. Probably should have went ahead and went with the 28, the 7,000s, but I want to just kind of limit myself, so I wouldn't be hauling no great big load down the road. This limits it. I'll be hauling smaller tractors in it. Don't ever plan to put a great big tractor in there. This is what I'm gonna go to my tractor shows with now. Distant ones anyway. I can have my tractor and my golf cart all sitting in there and secure. And it's gonna look good behind old beast over there, isn't it? Yeah, sure is. So this is going to be able to keep my equipment protected while I'm going down the highway. If I decide I want to stop overnight in a hotel, I don't have to worry about somebody pilfering parts off of tractors or messing with it. They always want to come out and look at it. So anyway, we'll get her hooked up here in a little bit and check it out. So for now, I just wanted y'all to see it, and we'll catch you a little more video when we get it hooked up. Bye, y'all. All right, folks, got her all hooked up, and just do a little walk around here. I don't know if Terry may want to stay out of the video, or he may want to get in it. You mind getting in it?
Bravo all the way, bravo all the way.
Absolutely. He's the one that coordinated this sale with Dura Country. We've checked everything out on it. I am very, very pleased. So they're gonna come out and we put a little grease in the ramp hinges. Got her set nice and level, and fantastic looking setup. You know, sometimes when you get to the tractor show, it ain't what you take it, but it's how you get there. Oh yeah, fantastic. I am very, very, very pleased. So we'll see what things go down the road. I got to figure out how to put the winch in, and we'll go from there. All the lights are working.
Thank you.
He looks good. Bye, y'all. See you down the road. Hey, I just thought I'd get a little bit more video here before I post this. This is, I had to grab some video of the inside of the trailer. I didn't do that over at the lot because it was just too crowded over there. And I didn't want to open things up till I got the salesman out there. So anyway, I'm gonna give you a quick peek inside. You can see I've got the ramp door down. I'm just gonna turn the camera around where you can see it and not look at me. I got the ramp door down. You also had them put a heavy duty metal plate on the ramp to the ground rather than the typical wood ones. And this ramp door, like I say, it is rated for 7,500 pounds, I believe. Now we go inside the camper, the trailer. It's almost like a camper in it, and you can see that good solid construction on the walls. I've got cross beams every 12 inches. Got the E-track on the two sides, and this is where my battery connection comes through for hooking up my winch. The winch plate, I was a little concerned I didn't see the winch plate. Well, the winch plate is actually underneath the floor. So what I have to do is locate that winch plate, and I'll do that with maybe just poke some little minor holes in there to locate it. And then I will mount my winch inside on the winch plate without, so it'll be flush mounted to the floor. I really like the way they trimmed everything out here. You got nice seals on everything. Put one strip of luan down the middle, and I'm not sure exactly why that is, but it works for me. There's the two inside cargo lamps, and earlier when I was talking about the flow-through vents, there's the one up high on the driver's side. And then if we go back here, we've got one down low on the passenger side so that the air can flow through here. Got a switch right here on the wall. I think you can see it. That turns on the cargo loading lamp right up there. This little light up here on the left side is the tank light, and then we got the two corner lights, and then three red lights here in the middle. Well-built trailer. So far, I'm very pleased. The counterweights look like they're doing their job. I wasn't too hard to lower the ramp. So I'm pretty pleased with that. Overall, I'm pleased with the trailer. Very narrow little entrance, wheel covers in here. So we'll just have to see how that goes when I start backing the tractor in. I guess the only thing I might have wished I'd have done is I had started out planning to buy a 28 and 7,000 pound axles. I wound up with a 26 and 6,000 pound axles, giving me 12,000 pounds, or about cargo carriage about 7,900. So I think that's probably okay. Let's look at the welds. You can see they did a really good job up there. The welds, looks to me like from here, I'll have to get up there, look real close if I wanted to really inspect them. But they look good to me, and I saw one at the factory before they skinned it, and the welds were just phenomenal. So, bravo. You did a good job. Did a good job. And we'll see how it works out. Hey, I'm looking forward to traveling with it. I think he might have locked this door. It says you're supposed to lock it when you travel with it. I'm not sure if it's locked or not. I'll have to look at that. I've got the key for it. You can see they made a nice little step in there. I'm probably going to make me a panel to lay over there in case I back a tractor in here that's a little bit wider. I don't want it to drop down in that hole, but we'll see. Overall, very pleased. We'll see how it goes. It towed great. Coming over, I drove probably about 150 miles maybe, and it towed just great. So there she is. I gotta come up with a name for it. I named the truck the Beast, so maybe this is the Beastette. So I'm gonna flip this ramp up, and that thing is heavy. And get the turn the lights off inside and the lights outside. We'll call it wet for the night. Now, the interesting thing is going to be how well does it fold up. I'm going to see if I can set the camera up out here in the dirt without dropping it. Yeah, maybe that'll work. Yeah, that ought to work. Okay. See how this works. See, even an old man can do that. It wasn't light, but I can do it. I can handle it. All right. See y'all later. Bye.